I discovered InterveneMD through Dr. Dubik, actually. He was selling his business or getting out of his business, and he, I think, spent probably 2 years trying to find somebody that he was willing to pass his patients on to. So when he passed his business on to Dr. Joy, I knew I was in good hands. When Dr. Joy got his first Vasper machine, he gave me the whole deal, the sales pitch and stuff. I had just gotten off of a procedure. I was looking for something to get back in, and the whole concept behind it of cold, compression, and interval training, it's like in every workout book. It just checked all the boxes. What I love most about Dr. Joy is he is always exploring what's next, what's new, what is out there that he could do that's even more than he's doing now. He's always researching, and that's it. He's always exploring. My whole philosophy, and it seems like Todd Joy's, is how can you help the body heal itself? So I'm sold on the results and also Dr. Joy's procedures and the way he approaches things.